and welcome to the quick walkthrough of Xtreme theme. As you can see, this is the landing page of Xtreme theme, and this page has also been built using the Xtreme theme itself. Now let's move on to the menu. We can see that we have 5 demos created using the Xtreme theme. All these demos are totally different from one another in design, and all these have yet been made using the Xtreme theme itself. This goes on to show how powerful really the Xtreme theme is. Now let's go back to the menu. We can see that there are different kinds of blocks here. Xtreme has about 3 to 5 different kinds of block designs built in it. Now we have some more shortcodes which is getting displayed using this built-in mega menu. These are only some of the shortcodes that we have displayed over here. Now you can explore more of these options by going to this link over here, and for now I'm directly going to hop on to the dashboard of the theme. This is the dashboard of the Xtreme theme, and we are in the options panel of Xtreme. The options panel of Xtreme is totally responsive, which means that you can even edit these options while you are on the move. Now let's start with general options. We can see that using the general options we can change the layout of the website. We can also select the front and the blog pages, favicon images, preloaders, and you can also add multiple tracking scripts in the header and footer. In the header options we can add the logos, and we can also decide the navigation style for the Xtreme theme. Using all these options we can almost create more than 50 kinds of navigation menus. Alright, now let's go to the footer options. This is where you can decide the number of widgets and social settings in the widgets, etc. Using the sidebar options you can decide what kind of sidebar would you want to have on your website, on which pages. Widget options. This is very interesting because using widget options you can create custom widgets that you can then place anywhere in your page. Blog options. Blog options helps you to decide the kind of blog that you would want to have on your page, design in particular, and you can also decide various blog meta settings that you would want to display on your blog. Then this is a setting which is dedicated completely to WooCommerce. You also have styling options where you have some predefined color presets for the lighter version of the theme, and then we also have almost 50 premium color styles which we will give for the higher version of the theme. You can also go ahead and further customize each of these colors manually for your liking, of course. So you can also add quick custom CSS, and then we have the typography options where we have included almost 700 Google fonts that one can use, and this gives a lot of flexibility for any kind of website or in any mood of website that a person would like to create. So these are really cool options for customizations. And then we have a template club where we are going to give each template for a particular niche, landing page, sales page, or a local business, completely pre-designed with premium license images, and this will be a recurring phenomena. So this is all about the options panel of the Xtreme. Now let's quickly go and see the Xtreme builder. For that we need to go and create a new page. So here I am, I've created a new page, and let me create it as a trial page. Alright, so in the trial page all I have to do is go and click on the Xtreme builder, and this will show the Xtreme builder. You can see that there is a very nice little animation going on whenever I click on these tabs, and this really gives a great user experience. Now the various shortcuts of this theme has been divided into various tabs over here in order to give more ease to the customer or the user for setting up options or setting up their pages. In the container sections, you can see that we have got various container sections. So each of these sections, all you have to do is click on them and they will be available over here. So I click this, it comes here, and there's also a nice little animation going on whenever these appear. I can also increase or decrease their sizes just by clicking over here. And I can always drag and drop these options to my ease. So I can drag it over here and I can drag this over here. So it's really amazing how this thing works out. And we also have some specific container elements. For example, we have a white section. So what we can do with this white section is we can place all these sections inside a white section, and the white section can then be available for whole width of the page. And then this can have its own background color or a background image or even a background video, and you can also have an overlay. So this is a really important section in this theme. Moreover, you can have up to 70 kinds of animations with each of the container elements, which means that you can customize the animation duration and delay for each and every element in the theme. Alright, now that this is done, let's quickly move on to the section builders. These are the basic builder shortcodes that we have. So you have text section, separators, headings, font awesome icons, feature list, feature images. Let's try one of these. So this is a feature image I drop and it quickly comes onto here. You can see that all the builder sections or the builder containers had a blue color scheme going on, while the section builders or the builder shortcodes have this pink color. So I can easily drop this inside this and work on it. So let me go inside the options of the featured image, and what you can do is you can quickly add an image over here, and you can then select the various options for this image. We have already done these stylings and shown what all options are possible for you. So if you can go here, you can see that using just one featured image section you can create so many different type of options. So this is there, and then we have other options and icon feature boxes, buttons. We can almost create about 128 different kinds of buttons using the Xtreme theme through various permutation combinations of icons, big, small, colorful, 3D and whatnot. And then we have message boxes, call to actions, blog rolls, pricing tables, Xtreme introduction sections, and lots and lots of sections are there. Alright, now let's quickly move on to the advanced builders. In the advanced builders, we have text sliding sections, content sliders, tab sections, accordions, custom forms. Now this custom form is a really interesting section because not only can you create a custom form using this, you can also create surveys for your visitors or your clients, and it also includes an autoresponder and a conditional logic to it. So this is a really important builder section, I believe. And then we also have more animated builder sections like progress bars, counter circles. So you can create counter circles like these and progress bars, and you can also have Google Maps, countdown timers, and so on and so forth. So this is all about the advanced builders. And then moving on to the media builders, we have image sections, video sections. So in video section you can insert actually YouTube videos or Vimeo videos, or you can even add your own video. So this is a really cool feature. And we can have slideshows, full width, full screen, accordion sliders, layer sliders and revolution sliders. These two plugins comes built in within the theme, which means that we are giving away $34 worth of plugins free with this theme. So that is really cool again. And then we have customer sliders, galleries and all those features. Moving on to the WooCommerce section, these are some of the builder sections that we have. specific to creating an online shop. Alright, and then we have the IM builders. Using the IM builders, we can create JavaScript exit pop-ups, so whenever someone is going to close the tab, a JavaScript will come up. Xtreme lead capture. Using this, we can integrate various autoresponders, and all we have to do is just place the HTML code that the autoresponder gives us, and then we can also have 70 kinds of animations that we can show to highlight the autoresponder when it appears on this page. So this is a great feature. And then we have tagged images for showcasing your products or services in a really attractive manner. And then there is a YouTube marketing Xtreme. Now this in itself is such a strong feature, because you can have your YouTube videos and you can then select how you want to play them, autoplay, show info or not, and then you can also have custom URLs or call to actions or ads that you can place on this video. Let me show you this in action. So this is the video, and let me play it for you, and you will see that when it comes to 5 seconds an ad will pop up. So let me play this.
We watch, we listen.
There you go. See, this ad has popped up now, and when I go and click on this, the video automatically stops playing. If this was a link, I would be redirected to another page, and I can even have call to action buttons over here. So it is actually done using a WYSIWYG editor. So it's like what I see is what I get. I can do anything and it will be displayed over here. So this is a really cool feature, which itself gets sold as plugins, and we have included this in the Xtreme theme. So this is about the various shortcodes. We have about almost 70 plus shortcodes going on here amongst all these tabs, and we wish and we think that we'll be creating more shortcodes and keep on adding them and upgrading the theme in the future as well. And then we have some custom pages. So what I have done is, you have seen the landing page of the Xtreme theme. What I can do with this is, I can always save a custom page. So let's say I drop a container element over here, I go to custom pages and I want to save this custom page. So I can give it a name as demo and click on save button. So this demo comes up here. Now whenever I want to have a new page and the page is alike or similar to another page in the theme, I can just easily and quickly go to the custom pages that have been saved here and click on this, and this complete page will be loaded like this. So now I can add more sections or remove some of them and customize this according to my requirements. So this is a trial page that we had, and what I've done just here is I have selected the landing page over here. Let me quickly go and publish this and show you how this trial page, which was initially a blank page, has now been converted completely into the demo page of the site. Let me quickly go and open this in a new tab. Alright, there you go. So as you can see that the complete landing page of the theme has come here. We can edit it in any way we want. So this is a really cool feature, and we intend to actually give almost 50 plus pre-built pages in this theme, which will include multiple versions of the home pages and about us pages or error pages, maintenance mode pages, and so on and so forth. So we'll add all these pages here, and then people can just go to the builders, create a page, select the page that they want to appear, and it's like a done for you job. So this is really an awesome feature which we have going on here. Moreover, we can also make some page level changes from down here. So if we do not want the header options to be same across all pages, we can change here. Similarly, we can change page level sidebar and footer options as well. So this is all with the Xtreme theme. Hope you have enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.